The brand new Cambridge LRS speakers is here. Let's unbox it. At first glance, they kind of look like a Monitor Audio tweeter with a Kanto Aura woofer. The size is the first thing that stands out. They are compact, but they don't feel cheap or toy-like. It's hi-fi without the usual complication. If you're using a Bluetooth speakers, your soundbar, your cheap PC speakers, and you're looking for a step up, this is the upgrade. Whether you want it for your desktop setup, your small apartment setup, bedroom TV, or just a clean speaker system without any other separate components, this might be the one for you. But Cambridge Audio also say this can be your whole stereo setup in one box. So today, let's give it a try and see if they sound as good as they look.
Russet brandy in a diamond glass. Everything is made from dreams. Time is made from honey, slow and sweet. Only the fools know what it means. Temptation, temptation, I can't resist. Well, I know that he is made of smoke, but I've lost my way. He knows that I am broke, but I must pay. I put a spell on you. Because you're mine. You better stop the things you do. I ain't lying. No, I ain't lying. You know I can't stand it. You're running around, you know better, daddy. I can't stand it 'cause you put me down. Put a spell on you. Because you're mine.
So overall, the Cambridge Audio LRS is one of the products that makes more sense the more time you spend with it. And that's what makes it more interesting. Compact hi-fi, music in every home. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and let us know what you want us to test next. See you.